If you're thinking about upgrading your shower head because the water comes out with about as much force as a kitchen tap, today is the day. A good high-pressure shower head is one of the cheapest and most effective upgrades you can make to your bathroom, and the difference is noticeable from the very first use. In today's video, I'm bringing you the 7 best options available in Europe right now, so you can find the one that best fits your bathroom and your budget. All the links are in the description below. Let's get into it. We're starting with the Olliwan, and straight away, I'll tell you this one is different from everything else you'll see today. While most shower heads are made from plastic, this one is built entirely from stainless steel, the same grade used in professional kitchens. It doesn't warp with heat, it doesn't develop micro cracks over time, and it won't break if it falls on the floor. That alone is worth a lot. The pressurization system works with 310 laser-drilled micro nozzles at just 0.3 millimeters each. And the result is a jet that can double the pressure compared to what comes in through your pipes, while also reducing water consumption by up to 60%. Maintenance is straightforward. Every now and then you soak it in white vinegar to stop limescale clogging the nozzles, and that's genuinely all there is to it. No cartridges, no replacement parts, no hidden ongoing costs. The brushed steel finish looks fantastic in modern or Scandinavian-style bathrooms, and it fits any standard connection, so installation takes minutes. If you have low water pressure at home and want something that lasts forever without ever needing to think about it again, the Olliwan is your answer. It's the kind of purchase you make once and forget. The Ibergrif is a different proposition altogether. It comes with 3 spray modes, rainfall, massage, and a combination of both, and it also delivers high pressure but in a more compact and affordable package. The transparent handle gives it a distinctive look, and the fine nozzle plate does a solid job of accelerating the water before it exits. For anyone living in an older building with plumbing that's seen better days, this shower head transforms the experience immediately. The 3 modes let you adapt to whatever you need in the moment, and the massage setting with its more concentrated jet is particularly satisfying after a long day on your feet. Compared to the Olliwan, the build is simpler since it's plastic, but the price is considerably lower and the hydraulic performance is genuinely impressive for what it costs. For a lot of people, this is exactly everything they need without spending more than necessary. If what you're looking for is a fully featured option with the widest range of settings, the Mechco is your shower head. This model offers 4 spray modes including a powerful precision jet, a pause button integrated into the handle to cut the flow without touching the tap, and a ring of silicone massage nodes around the faceplate that you can use to work into your scalp while you rinse. That sounds like a minor detail until you actually try it, because the sensation of a proper scalp massage while you rinse is absolutely something else. It also comes with a 1.5-meter stainless steel hose included in the box, so you don't need to buy anything separately. The pause button is particularly useful in shared bathrooms since you can stop the water in a second without adjusting the thermostat or losing your temperature setting. It's the most fully featured model on this list and the one that puts the most control in your hands. The Magikome is one of the best-selling shower heads in this category globally, and when you see it in person, you immediately understand why. The transparent polycarbonate handle with its layered internal beads that move and swirl as the water flows through is genuinely hypnotic to watch. And if you have children at home who resist bath time, this shower head has a very good chance of solving that problem entirely. Turning the shower into something fascinating makes a real difference. Beyond the visual appeal, it offers up to 5 spray modes and an internal compression chamber that creates a turbo effect, accelerating the water before it exits through the micro-perforated plate. The result is a very powerful and enveloping jet that you feel from the very first use, especially if you were previously using an old limescale clogged head. Another thing I genuinely like about this one is that it can be fully disassembled. You can remove the steel plate, clean it separately with vinegar, and put everything back together in 5 minutes. That gives it a real hygienic advantage over sealed models you simply can't get inside. The Venabo takes a completely different approach. Its diffuser panel is 120 millimeters in diameter, which is considerably larger than most handheld shower heads. That means water falls covering your shoulders and torso at the same time, without constantly having to move your arm to stop your back going cold. In winter, when the bathroom is chilly, this makes a genuinely noticeable difference that you appreciate immediately. It has 6 spray modes, silicone nozzles that you clean simply by rubbing your thumb across them without any products or tools, and a pause valve built directly into the handle. If you've ever tried to bathe a large dog with a standard shower head, you know exactly what it means to be able to cut the water flow without letting go of the animal and without reaching for the tap. With the Venabo, you have both hands free whenever you need them, and in daily use that is worth far more than it might sound. The thermal coverage and body coverage it provides are genuinely hard to match in a handheld format, and once you get used to showering this way, it's difficult to go back. The Yeaupe is aimed at a very specific kind of buyer, someone who wants a showerhead that doesn't look out of place in a freshly renovated bathroom. The matte chrome black finish convincingly mimics high-end designer tapware, and the 110mm diameter gives it a real visual presence. What I like most about this model is the 1.6-meter anti-tangle hose it comes with as standard, 10 centimeters longer than the industry norm. That might sound trivial, but if you're tall or need to shower seated, the extra reach makes a tangible difference. It has 6 spray modes ranging from a fine mist to a deep tissue massage setting, and the mode selector turns with a smoothness that isn't common at this price point. If you want to modernize your bathroom without anyone guessing what the shower head actually cost, the Yeaupe is a very smart purchase and exactly the kind of product that looks expensive but isn't. The flow rate is generous and the jet doesn't feel harsh or needle-like on the skin. We close with the Dothnix, and if at any point during this video you've been thinking that all these options aren't really for you because you simply want the water to come out with proper force and nothing else, here is your answer. No complicated settings, no mode selectors, nothing that can go wrong. What it does have is a hydraulic design optimized to maximize pressure mechanically, silicone nozzles that clean with a finger wipe, and an installation that takes 2 minutes with no tools required. It's the most affordable model on this list, and it consistently earns ratings around 4.8 out of 5 across thousands of verified reviews. The people who buy it aren't looking for technical features. They want water that falls with force, volume, and consistency. And that is exactly what this delivers. Nothing more and nothing less. Compared to the Olliwan, which also goes all in on pure pressure but in stainless steel with a premium finish, the Dothnix is the ultra-accessible version for anyone who wants to solve the problem without overthinking it. If you have a holiday home, a guest bathroom, or you've just moved somewhere with a terrible shower, this one sorts it out immediately and without any fuss. And to close things out, the quick summary to help you choose. For maximum pressure and lifetime durability with a premium finish, the Olliwan in stainless steel. For 3 spray modes at a very competitive price, the Ibergrif. For the widest range of features in a single shower head, the Mechco with its pause button and precision jet. For the most visually striking experience and the most powerful turbo effect, the Magikome. For rainfall-style coverage and thermal comfort in colder months, the Venabo with its 12-centimeter panel. For renovated bathrooms that demand premium aesthetics without the premium price tag, the Yeaupe in chrome black. And for solving your pressure problem right now at the lowest possible cost, the Dothnix, no more, no less. All the links are in the description below. Give this video a like if it was useful and subscribe so you don't miss the next ones.